Happy New Year. We have the SPX weekly chart. We have a 9 week breakout right here, making fairly all time highs. That's exactly what we're doing. Now, when we called the rally and you were here, you would have banked all that money, and that you would have. It's all right on the YouTube channel. It's very well documented. We would like you to start 2024 with Tommy Trader and take advantage of breakouts and new bull markets. We have a new bull market. If you're sitting on the sideline, now's the perfect time to get in. But you have to know how to trade bull markets. Very important that you do not buy the highs. Never buy the highs. Never buy stocks that have parabolic breakouts. You wait for the pullbacks. Rule one, you buy the pullbacks, then they're going to continue to go up. It's not a bear market 2024 as we start the bull. The run of the 2024 bull is upon us all. And that is the greatest thing that you could have. But remember, bull markets have big pullbacks. And that's going to be part of the volatility. Yes, it will. And you buy when there's volatility. When you're buying back here at support and then it wants to run and make new highs, that is how you make money in the stock market. Okay, after 35 years, have trained many, and I will say this to you, that you could have catch the rally with us. Let's trade the next rally. We're at all-time highs. Don't buy into these highs. Let the year finish out. Don't worry if it wants to go up more. We can still trade higher. It's a bull run with new highs, and higher highs bring new highs. And that's exactly what has happened during the breakout. We called this weekly breakout on the SPX. Sign up for that free 5-day trial. Don't hesitate. Don't wait. Let's get paid. It's a new bull.